In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create responsive tags in Figma. First, open your design in Figma so you can build the tag right where you need it. If you are starting fresh, that's fine too. Just make sure you are in a frame or canvas where you can preview changes as you go. Type the text for your tag like a short label you might use in your UI. With that text layer selected, press Shift+A to wrap it in an auto layout frame. This is the key to making the tag responsive. Auto layout ensures the frame grows and shrinks around your text without you manually resizing anything. If you ever move or edit the text, the frame will keep everything aligned and tidy automatically. Now let's style it so it looks like a tag. In the right-hand panel, add a fill color to the frame to create a background. Pick a color that matches your design system and make sure it contrasts well with the text for readability. Next, increase the corner radius to form a pill shape. A large radius enough to round the ends fully will give you that familiar soft capsule look. To keep the spacing consistent as your text changes, adjust the padding in the auto layout settings. Set horizontal padding, for example 12 pixels, and vertical padding, for example 4 pixels. You can tweak these based on your font size and weight. But keep both sides even so the tag feels balanced. The padding is what makes the tag feel roomy and professional, even when the text is longer or shorter. In the auto layout section, confirm the frame's resizing is set to hug contents. Hug on both width and height tells the tag to expand exactly to the size of the text plus the padding you defined. If it's set to fixed, it won't adjust properly. So switch it to hug for reliable responsiveness. Once you are happy with how it looks and behaves, make it reusable. Press CMD+Option+K on a Mac, or Ctrl+Alt+K on Windows. To turn the tag into a component, name it clearly so you can find it later. From now on, you can drop instances of this tag anywhere in your designs and just change the text. Everything else will adjust automatically. That's it. You've created a responsive, reusable tag in Figma that scales beautifully with any label you need. Thanks for watching.